Today, for those of you that are vegetarian and or on vegan diet, I'm making a spinach salad with quinoa. In this recipe, I have half a cup of tricolor quinoa pre-rinsed. You need to make sure that you do rinse the quinoa before boiling it. This quinoa here is the organic white, red, and black quinoa. We need 1 cup of water to cook our quinoa first. 2 small sliced carrots, 1 red bell pepper, 1 medium tomato, 1 ounce of sliced onions. This is optional. If you don't want to put any onions, it's up to you. And I also have 2 ounces of shredded purple cabbage. Boil the water first. Now, for this process, you can use any kind of broth or use water. I have added a cube of vegetable bouillon to add some taste to my quinoa. Again, it's optional whether you like to do it or not. On low heat, I let this simmer for about 15-20 minutes until it's cooked. 15 minutes later, our quinoa is ready. It's cooked. I'm going to wait until it's totally cooled down before I put it in the salad. On a bed of spinach, this is about 4 ounces. We'll add all of the ingredients. This is such a beautiful dish and so nutritious. Now, the spinach has vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin K, folate, and this is a good source of potassium. So these are what you're getting out of the spinach. Now I'm adding our red pepper, sliced tomatoes. Summertime, when it's available to me, I usually like to add yellow and red cherry tomatoes because it looks pretty. Now I'm adding the sliced onion. As I said, this is optional. If you don't want to add onions, by all means. But it does add a good taste to it. Quinoa is cooled down enough to pour it in here. Quinoa is gluten-free and is a grain, but it does have a moderate amount of protein, fiber, and minerals. For this dish, a honey mustard dressing And or even if you don't have that around, maybe a Thousand Island, or you can add oil and vinegar, make your vinaigrette, but just add some little sugar, or if you have honey, add it to your vinaigrette.